Welcome hijackers. This is our second video of Wi-Fi ethical hacking course. In our first video, we have learned about hacking weak Wi-Fi passwords using our phone. Check out the info button upper right corner or see the description to watch part 1. In part 2, we will try to hack Wi-Fi by physical access and some fundamentals recommended for noobs. So let's begin. So first of all, we will start with the basics. What if you are connected to your neighbor's Wi-Fi and you don't know the password? To see the password which he has not told you will perform some tricks. First way is to see the password with router setup page. Every router has its own setting page. Now, to see the default username and password of the router, visit description and download the app. Open the app and click on router password. Find your router. In my case, it is TP-Link, whose default password is admin. Routers page. Now you can see the router's name on the page. Here we need the admin's username and password. Some users are lazy and they do not change the default router's username and password. Now go to wireless followed by wireless security. Bingo! You can see the password of your connected router. Next step is to see the password on the user's PC who is connected to the router. Watch the video. As like last video, I will teach you to kill the connection of other users. Follow this tutorial to kill the internet of all users connected on your Wi-Fi. want any hacking tutorial by us? Comment your requests in comment section down below and don't forget to like the video.